Hello, I'm going to present you Mikogo software that is used to share your screen, a useful process for testing the assessment and evaluation of first integrated BRISEIDE system. First step is to download the sharing software from its website. Open a web browser and click www.mikogo.com. Click on download and then free download. Click save. Okay, Mikogo software has downloaded to your PC. Then you click to install it. Mikogo software has been started. You can check it from your program files that has been installed correctly. Then we close browser. With right click on Mikogo icon, we create an account. Give your first name, your last name, and an email address. And click continue. This will create your account and send you a confirmation email with the username and the password you need to start the session. As you received email from Mikogo, you right click on Mikogo and start session. You type your username and the password. Okay, the session has started. A session ID is provided, this one, and has to be noticed to all people that will participate to the session. So, connect to Skype. And forward the session ID to all people you want to participate to the session. Thank you. All participants have to install also Mikogo to their PC and join the session by providing the appropriate session ID that they received via Skype. Right click to Mikogo icon and press join session. Type the session ID and click join session. Okay, now session has been started and you have joined. The share screen has implemented and we are ready to start testing. Do not forget to capture the video using a Camtasia recorder. So you click on Camtasia recorder and when you are ready you click Rec. First you have to open the deliverable document and go to your pilot use case tests. And you are ready to check one by one the requirements that are presented to this table. Thank you.